Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can hide your add friend request button on Facebook. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on your navigation bar between the notifications and the videos option. You tap on it and then tap on the three dotted icon and then tap on view as. As you can see, the add friend button on my profile is available. So to remove this, what I simply do is I go back and then I tap on the three barred icon. After that, I tap on the settings icon. Then I scroll down and go to the audience and visibility option. After that, I tap on how people find and contact you. Now, as you can see, my who can send you a friend request is set to everyone. What you need to do is set this to friends of friends. If all of your options are set to public and everyone, what you need to do is set it to private and set it to only me if you have the option, or you can send it to only friends or friends of friends. So you set it to only me, which will allow your profile to be private, and then you go to followers and public content under audience and visibility, and then remove all these options from public and simply set it to friends, or if there's option of no one, then you set it to no one. After that, you go back to your profile again and then tap on three dotted icon, tap on view as, and as you can see now the add friend button is not available on my profile. And this is how you hide your add friend request button on Facebook. If you have any questions, still let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.